Hi, my name is Sanne Bezem and we're here in Munich on the high-end show. I'm standing here with the Okki Nokki record cleaning machine and I will give you a demonstration. You have here the button, you can turn both directions, it's what you prefer. Then you have the record cleaning fluid and you will place it like so. Then you have the microfiber hairs brush and you place it like this. You don't have to scrub or anything, just hold it for a few rounds. Normally I do it like 2 to 3 rounds. The fluid will do its work on its own, so you don't have to do anything, just hold it like this. Then you have the vacuum arm. There are 3 settings, 12, 10 and 7 inch. So you can clean all your records. And this is the most important thing because this is what really gets everything out of the grooves. And in 2 spins the record is completely dry, so you can just use it right after or put it back in the sleeve. The label cover protects the label so it doesn't get wet. And everything is in the package for 550 euros. A dust cover, the fluid, the brush, a small platter for singles, the clamp and the label cover. And we're now here on the show with one important thing. Before, the production was always in China and from now on it's completely in the Netherlands.